Hey there, my name's Edwin. I am an OCT certified computer science teacher with experience teaching programming to elementary school students all the way to AP Computer Science. My focus as a computer science teacher is to equip students with the tools of programming and to lead them through various problems such that they can develop their creative thinking, problem solving, and attention to detail. I do my best to encourage this by creating a safe space where students feel comfortable talking and asking questions, providing mini programming puzzles that get students to challenge their thinking and feel successful, and accumulating with larger projects that give students more ability to tie their skills to their other interests. These other interests include games, creative writing, cryptography, and even art and music. Students can be successful in computer science by taking on challenges for themselves, to find and test a solution, rather than relying on someone else to see if they're right or wrong. This requires breaking down their thinking into methodical, logical steps. Once they take on this thinking for themselves, a whole new world of possibilities opens up for them.